Hi guys, and welcome to our sixth video tutorial of biology. And in this video tutorial we are going to base our concepts into the comparison between plants and animals. It's very important guys to note that plants differ from animals in very many different ways, and the comparisons are as follows. Number one, plants are green in color, for they have chlorophyll, the green coloring matter, whereas animals' body lack chlorophyll, thus they are not green in color. Number two, plant cells have cellulose cell wall, whereas animal cell lack cellulose cell wall. Number three, plants' response to stimuli is slow, whereas animals' response to stimuli is quick. Fourthly, plants lack specialized excretory organs, whereas animals have complex excretory organs. Number five, plants do not move about, whereas animals move about for various reasons. Number six, growth in plants only occurs in roots and shoot tips, whereas growth in animals occur in all body parts. Guys, it's very important to note that plants have green coloring matter called chlorophyll, through which they manufacture their own food by a process called photosynthesis. Animals, on the other hand, lack chlorophyll. They don't make their own food, rather depend on the already manufactured food materials from plants and other animals. Thank you guys for watching from this channel. And if you are watching from this channel for the first time, just take a second or two and click on the subscribe button as well as a notification bell so that next time we produce a video like this, YouTube will automatically notify you. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video tutorial. Bye.